In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mail notifications on the lock screen, notification center and banners. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your settings and there you can tap on notifications. Now here scroll all the way down until you find mail application. And there you can set up how notifications will work with Mail app. First, you can allow or not allow the whole notifications. Just hit there add switcher to turn off all the notifications, or you can enable it. Next, you can set up where notifications will show up. It can be lock screen. You can uncheck mark lock screen if you want to hide notifications for lock screen, and in the same way you can turn on or off notifications on your notification center and on banners. Also, there you can change banner style, sounds, and you can enable or disable badges. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.